Here we have a tennis ball rolling off of a counter. The X displacement of the ball was measured to be 17 inches and had to be converted to meters. This was 0.4318 meters. The ball's acceleration in the X direction is 0, so the initial velocity and the final velocity are the same for the X direction. We are trying to find the initial velocity of the ball. The ball's Y displacement was measured as 35.25 inches, or 0.8954 meters. The ball had an initial Y velocity of 0 meters per second. The acceleration was negative 9.8 meters per second squared, and the Y displacement was negative. First, we are trying to find the time from when the ball left the counter to when it hit the floor. To do this, we use the second kinematic equation with the known Y values. Because the initial Y velocity is 0, the first part of the equation cancels out. This results in a time of 0.4275 seconds. Next, we use this time, the second kinematic equation, and the known X component values to find the initial velocity. Because acceleration in the X direction is 0, the second half of the equation cancels out. The ball's velocity in the X direction from the time that it leaves the counter to the time that it hits the ground is 1.01 meters per second. Because the initial Y velocity is 0, the initial velocity for the ball is 1.01 meters per second.